Hello and welcome to Creative Juice Without Pulp. In this video, we will be using Notion to create a book organization system for your reading list, what you want to read, what you've read, leaving reviews for yourself, and note-taking as well for the books. So those who don't know, Notion is like the best productivity app out there, and it's free, by the way. So I'm not trying to sell you anything, but yeah, it's the best thing ever. It's like Google Docs meets Excel meets like JavaScript, I guess, meets Squarespace meets what I can't even explain. It does everything and it's free. It's the best thing ever. Odds are you probably already use Notion if you're on this video. If you don't, I cannot recommend it enough. So here's what we'll be setting up today. I think it's a really simple design, but that's what makes it such a good design. Design should be simple. So in terms of reading, I do not read much, but I'm trying to get into it. So kind of to keep me on track and stuff, I've made this in my Notion just so I can keep track on what I've read, what I'm going to read, what books I have as well. So I'll just quickly take you through. It's fair self-explanatory. Books I've read, 4-Hour Workweek, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. You'll see a theme of books that I'm interested in. And then I can also set a tag on what it's about. They're both about money. I can also leave little notes on things that I've learned from the book, just like my main takeaways and stuff. I think that's really important for you to like jump back and see, oh yeah, that's what I learned from this, yada yada. And then also I can leave a review, and that all appears here. Say if I read Think and Grow Rich tomorrow, I can just drag it in and then it's all there. Under that, we have books I want to read. So just to make it easy for me to quickly understand what I have in my collection, I have like 4 books. The green book emoji means that I have it, and the red book emoji means I don't. Makes it very simple. You could do maybe like an orange book emoji if you're borrowing it or something as well, like that. It's all very simple to use, and then you can see everything in here that you want to read. It's on your reading list. I'm a very visual person, so I've seen a lot of other Notion videos on this, but they were mainly just text, and I want to see the covers and stuff that's just how I work. In this video, let's set up this. Shouldn't take too long. It's quite easy. So / you're going to do a toggle. In that toggle, you don't even have to do that, but I prefer to keep things in toggles. It just makes organization easier for yourself. Little tip, if you do colon, then after that, you'll start searching for emojis. So we'll do book. In this, we're going to do a table, which is inline. Here, books I've read. So as you can see, the default view is this, which is fine, but it's just not very visual, which is what I wanted. So Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and you can add a bunch of other stuff. I've seen a ton of other videos do, they have author, and they have, when did I read the book? How long did it take me to read the book? How many chapters? How many pages? Blah, blah, blah. Which is fine, but I guess maybe I don't read enough to see the value in that. I just want to know, what book have I read? Was it any good? And what's the topic? So we'll do Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Now, and then we'll add one more. What other book did we have? We had 4-Hour Workweek. So 4-Hour Work. I don't know if you can hear that. It's thundering outside. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add a view. So we're going to change it to gallery. There's a bunch of other ones. There's the Trello looking one, the calendar list, blah, blah, blah. Gallery is what we're going to use to make this look that we're trying to get. So here we have it. You can drag these as much as you want, get them in any order you want. One thing that I like doing is having just like a little border around the toggle, so I can quickly know which toggle I'm under. Again, just very visual. So what we're going to do is, for books I've read, we'll do green. And then, so you have this book, right? What properties do we want? We'll add author just for the time being. And then maybe rating is interesting. And let's do pages. or you know what? Notes is more important. So here we have a few things. I'll just add some random 7,000 pages, rating, colon, star. Here we have that, copy and paste. Let's say it was 4-star. It's Tim Ferriss, I think. And then a note, work only 4 hours. That's a real simplification of the book. Now you have that, you need the cover. To do that, I just Google 4-hour work week, images, find the book cover, file, save image as, just save it in your downloads. You don't need it in a specific place. Then what you're going to do is click on 4-hour work week. In here, just drag and drop the image from the corner. And now it's going to appear like this. It's probably going to be covering the whole screen. Yeah. So it's covering this whole box. In order to change this, all you do is go to these 3 dots here, click that, properties, and here we can choose what info do we want showing. So you might want the author showing. I don't think you need to, but you might want to. Do you want notes showing at all times? Pages, rating. I would have rating, and maybe notes is interesting actually. It probably makes more sense to have the rating above. So we can just move these around by grabbing these 6 dots. Makes it nice and simple. So this icon here, we want to change that because I have the book. So you're just going to add, so you're going to click on it, then you're going to add icon, and then we'll use the green book to say that I have it. So the best thing about this system is in this table, every one of these books now will have this property. So Rich Dad Poor Dad will now have created all these properties. So you can now add author, someone, pages, 2, notes, be rich. So I'll just get the photo for Rich Dad Poor Dad, open this up, once again, drag and drop, and now here we have it in here. Do I have this book? No, let's say I don't anymore. I gave it away after I read it. I just realized I got distracted and didn't even show how to change this. So you go to the 3 dots, you go to properties, and then you're going to do card size. There's this fit image here. You're going to click on that, and now you can see the whole card. Or the whole image, sorry. Another thing that I've changed is card size, small. I don't need the full, it doesn't need to take up that much space. That way I can see even more books. So there we have books I've read. Just duplicate this. And now we have books I want to read. As you can see, it changes to default view. Just change it back to the gallery view. Click on these 3 dots, color, we're going to do it in red because we want to read them. Then this is going to be the red book. There we have it. So once you've read a book, all you have to do is drag it in there, you're done. Personally, I think this is going to be a great system for keeping track of books I've read, books I want to read. I've been really bad with this in the past. You have a few notes in Facebook Messenger, you have a few notes on your note-taking app, a few notes in your email. It's just all over the place. So this is the easiest way for me to just have everything in one spot, nice and simple, and it looks like really easy to go through, kind of like you're going through an online store. I think it's easier to find something you're interested in reading rather than, I don't know, just seeing a bunch of lists as text. So I hope you like this video. If you want me to do more Notion videos, then please hit the like button. I don't normally do Notion videos. My channel's all about advertising and graphic design. I made this yesterday and I really liked it, and I thought, you know what, I might as well put it out there. So hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button if you're into advertising and graphic design, and hit the like button if you're into Notion, and then I know to keep making more of these. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.